Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best HomeKit Smart Bulbs is probably one of the most transformative upgrades you can make to your home. These bulbs offer unparalleled convenience, allowing you to control your lighting with just your voice or a tap on your smartphone. From setting the perfect ambience to enhancing your home security, smart bulbs provide a seamless integration into your daily life, making your home smarter and more responsive to your needs. Number 5. Meross Smart WiFi LED Bulb, 2-pack. This smart bulb is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. You can easily control it with your voice to turn it on or off, or even adjust the brightness and color. It's that simple. Control this smart Wi-Fi light bulb remotely using the Apple Home app or the Meross app. No hub is needed, and you can manage it from anywhere with an internet connection. Your data is securely stored on Amazon AWS servers. Set the perfect mood with this dimmable LED light bulb. It offers a range of colors from warm to cool white, as well as multiple RGB colors. You can easily switch it on before you arrive home or dim it for a party. Set schedules to automatically turn the light on or off based on your routine, with sunrise and sunset modes supported. It consumes only 9 W of energy, equivalent to a 60 W incandescent bulb, saving you money. Tired of smart bulbs frequently going offline? This Meross Smart LED bulb uses a high-end IoT chipset for a longer Wi-Fi connection range and a lower offline rate. You can count on it to stay connected. What we like. This smart bulb offers both voice and app control, making it super convenient. It also lets you customize the colors to match any mood. If you're looking for a simple, energy-saving way to upgrade your home lighting, this is a great choice. What people say. Very easy to set up. The Meross app guided me to HomeKit and I had the light set up with 15 minutes and it was great. While slightly difficult to add them to HomeKit, think this is more an Apple thing than Meross. These are awesome. They work flawlessly. Metros are extraordinarily easy to set up, compatible with Apple HomeKit and works with Alexa. Installation from Apple Home consists of scanning QR code directly on the bulb. And working first time. Number 4. Philips Hue 60W Smart Button Starter Kit. This starter kit includes 2 color-changing smart bulbs. They are perfect for general lighting anywhere in your home. You can easily set them up and start enjoying the smart features. With the included bridge, you can enjoy automations and control from anywhere. It provides a secure and stable connection for your smart home devices. It also uses Matter to connect to your Hue smart lighting system. This range offers both warm to cool white and millions of colors. Just screw it in and you're ready to go. The smart LED bulbs can dim, brighten, and set the mood instantly. Light your routines throughout the day with preset scenes. You can set a 24-hour natural light scene or choose light to help you focus, unwind, and more. Set up voice control in the Hue app. Use simple voice commands to control your lights with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's easy and convenient to use. Create the ultimate mood lighting with dynamic light effects. They show subtle changes in brightness and color. You can customize everything in the app. What we like. This product unlocks the full potential of smart lighting with its included bridge. It offers millions of colors and preset scenes to create the perfect ambience. If you like a comprehensive smart lighting system with advanced features, this is the one for you. What people say. The sunrise-sunset timer is my favorite, especially since I can make it random. The switches are perfect when Alexa doesn't respond or we just need to be quiet. The setup was easy and everything worked as advertised. I connected to my Alexa and that integration went well. Everything works flawlessly. Number 3. LIFX Color E26 Smart Bulb. This smart bulb offers a vast spectrum of colors, allowing you to create any shade imaginable. With RGB LEDs, it delivers rich colors and a wide white range. Set the perfect mood for any occasion with it. This light is designed to be bright and vibrant, suitable for any room. With 800 lumens and a wide angle, it can fill a space with light or be dimmed to your preference. It's versatile for any setting. Control it from anywhere by connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It's compatible with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Hey Google. Setup is simple, just screw it in and follow the app prompts. Use it to replace your alarm clock or automate your lighting from dusk to dawn. Schedule it to gently wake you up, maintain a well-lit environment, and help you relax at night. It adapts to your daily routine. This smart bulb is designed to last for 22.8 years, saving you energy and money. By choosing this, you're also contributing to environmental conservation. It's a smart choice for your home and the planet. What we like. With its rich colors and bright output, this bulb can fill any room with vibrant light. It's also voice-controlled for added convenience. If you want a smart bulb that's both powerful and easy to use, consider this. What people say. They connect to Wi-Fi directly and I have shockingly never had any issues with their connection or speed. They are super responsive in the app and controlling with Apple HomeKit. Then you have the colors which are so much brighter and more vibrant than hue bulbs. Each color has a ton of output and you can get some really almost neon colors which make scenes so much more fun. Also, they remember the last color they were displaying even when you turn the socket off, which is a nice touch when you are moving around lamps. Number 2. Refoss Smart Bulbs, Apple HomeKit compatible. These smart bulbs are compatible with Apple HomeKit, Siri, Alexa, and Google Home. You can easily control them with your voice to turn them on or off, or even change the brightness. For example, you can tell Siri to make the bedroom light blue. Control these smart Wi-Fi light bulbs remotely using the Apple Home app. All you need is a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, no hub is required. You can manage them from anywhere as long as you have internet access. This is an upgraded version, offering brighter light and more vibrant colors. It provides a better lighting experience with its improved antenna for a stronger Wi-Fi signal and increased LEDs. Set schedules to automatically turn the lights on or off based on your routine. It also supports sunrise-sunset mode. These bulbs consume only 9 W of energy, but provide the brightness of a 60 W incandescent bulb. Set the perfect illumination for any occasion with these dimmable LED light bulbs. Adjust from warm to cool white, or choose from multiple RGB WW colors. You can even switch them on before you arrive home or dim them for a party. What we like. This is an upgraded version with a stronger Wi-Fi signal and more vibrant colors. It also offers color-changing capabilities to set the perfect mood. If you are looking for a reliable and enhanced smart bulb experience, this is the one. What people say. I took a picture of the QR code and then screwed in a light bulb outside. By that time it had registered and opened my home app and I was able to add the bulb to my outside room. Easy peasy. This is the way adding a device should be. No extra app. I came back here to purchase another one. Very easy to install, pair with my Apple HomeKit app. Works with all automation features in HomeKit and Siri, you can even make your own custom commands. Number 1. Meross BR30 Smart LED Bulb, HomeKit compatible. This smart bulb works with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. You can easily control it with your voice. For example, just say, "Hey Siri, turn on the living room light." You can control the smart LED bulbs from anywhere using the Meross app or the Home app. To enable remote control with HomeKit, you'll need an Apple TV or HomePod set up as a hub and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Remember, the hub needs to stay online. This smart flood bulb lets you set the perfect lighting for any occasion. It offers a range from warm to cool white light and 16 million RGB CW colors. You can easily adjust it to match your mood or event. Set up schedules to automate the lights to fit your daily routine. You can set different schedules for various rooms and occasions. It even supports a sunrise-sunset mode. These smart Wi-Fi flood light bulbs are energy efficient, reducing consumption without sacrificing brightness. It consumes only 14 W, equivalent to a 100 W incandescent bulb. It can save you money on your energy bill. What we like. This smart bulb is a BR30 floodlight, perfect for recessed lighting. It offers color and dimming options, and it's energy saving. If you need a smart floodlight for your home, this is a great option. What people say. The setup was quick and seamless, connecting easily to my Wi-Fi network without needing a hub. The color-changing feature adds a fun touch to my space, and the ability to adjust brightness is a fantastic perk. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Home, meaning I can set up voice commands to switch between themes effortlessly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.